Alright, back to the Weboost. Pretty much from Barry up to Griggsville, no signal. I got red almost all the way up here. The Weboost is not working up to Griggsville. It's not pulling in the signal. I'm going to check it when I get to my destination. I'm going to check the bottom. I'm going to make sure everything's plugged in right. But I'm in red the whole way up here, which means it's not pulling in any signal right now whatsoever. And this is the older one I've had for a couple of hours, for 4 years. So if it's not working here, it's not going to work on Eagle Pass. But it should be working right here, and it's not. I do have cell phone coverage coming in, so it could be pulling in the cell phone, but as far as my Wi-Fi and everything, it's not doing good with that at all. Just so I can give everybody, like I said, this is a realistic end time while this is going on. So, alright, so let's see what's going on now.